Welcome, welcome, welcome. I welcome you to Rooted, Raising Outstanding Offspring through Empowered Discipleship. Are you excited? Yes, I am. This is a faith movement. We are going to be transforming homes, healing hearts, and raising kingdom giants by the grace of God. By the grace of God, my name is Pastor Abiola Adebanjo. I'm passionate about building the generational gap with God's timeless truth in today's fast-moving world. Rooted is your global discipleship hub. We'll be helping families grow deep in Christ. I will be helping families and children. We are going to be raising emotionally strong, spiritually grounded children, teens, and youths who will thrive in life and eternity. In a world where families are fractured and voices are lost, Rooted is your safe space. We are going to be empowering parents. We are going to be equipping kids with biblical wisdom. We are going to be rebuilding family altars so that they can shape legacies. We are going to be healing generational trauma with truth and love. We are going to restore the church role in raising future leaders. Please be part of this Rooted tribe where families are fed, teens are heard, children are celebrated, and to the glory of Jesus Christ. I welcome you again. Please subscribe, join, follow, and share. God bless you. Bye-bye.